Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us keep making these videos every day. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 258. If we start with this box, looks like we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this box, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this column now, we're missing a 2. And for this box, we're missing 3 and 5. And I don't see any help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this top row, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 4. 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this row now, we're missing a 9. And for this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 5, 2 here, so 4, 5, and no help here, 2, 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this bottom row, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 6. No help here. 3, 4, 5, 6. No help here. 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 and 6 here, so 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 6. So we've got the 2 here and the 6 here, so 3, 5. 2 here, so 3, 5, 6. 2 here, so 3, 5, 6. 3 and 6 here, so 2, 5. If we look, the only place our 2 can be in that row is here. And with that 2, we can get rid of this 2. And that means the only place the 2 in this box can be is here. If we look at this column now, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 5. No help here. 3, 5, 6. 6 here, so 3, 5. So that means the only place the 6 can be in that column is here. For this row now, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 7. 7 here, so 3, 5. And no help here, 3, 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 7, 8, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so 7, 8. 1, 7, and 8 here means this is our 9. Seven here, so 1, 8. 1 here, so 7, 8. That means the only place the 1 can be in that row now is here. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 5, 8. 2 and 8 here, so 3, 5. No help here. 2, 3, 5, 8. But if we look now, the only place the 2 can be in that row is here. And then the only place the 8 can be is here. If I look at this column, the only place the 8 can be is here. That makes this our 7, 5, 4, 5. And now the only place left for the 7 to be in this column is here. We'll do some cleanup with that 5. We can get rid of this 5 and this 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 5, but the 4 can't be here or here, so it must be here. Then we can get rid of this 4. For this row now, the only place the 4 could be is here. The only place the 6 can be is here. That makes this our 3, 5, 6. That 5 makes this our 3, 5, 3, 5. And this 5 makes this our 3 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.